Bos mungkin komentarnya mengenai kondisi tim terkini dan juga persiapan untuk laga besok.
Comment on the game.
We had, of course, we had a long break, so we had enough time to prepare.
Tentu kita ada jeda panjang, jadi banyak persiapan.
To repair some things we didn't do in the first phase of the competition.
Untuk memperbaiki di fase pertama yang masih kita kekurangan.
I think we worked very hard on it.
Kita kerja keras, saya rasa.
I also believe that it's more now in the attitude of the team.
Saya juga percaya dengan sikap dari para pemain.
So from the content, I think we are ready.
Dari secara konten pun kita juga sudah siap.
We played Barito away. That was a very tough game.
Kita main away melawan Barito dan itu sangat sulit.
But we also know that Barito, from the 8 wins, they had 7 wins at home and 1 in the away game.
Dan mereka cuman menang 8 di kandang dan cuman 1 aja di tandang.
It will be a tough opponent, but
dia akan lawan yang cukup sulit.
We have our ambition.
Kita memiliki ambisi kita.
And we want to look more to the higher positions than that we have to stabilize where we are, because we are not happy on the position we are.
Dan kita ingin posisi kita lebih tinggi lagi karena kita masih belum puas dengan posisi kita sekarang.
And I believe we can do it.
Dan saya percaya kita bisa lakukan itu.
Yeah, I think just like what coach said, we had a good amount of time to prepare for this game.
Seperti yang pelatih katakan, punya banyak waktu kita untuk mempersiapkan segalanya.
The morale of the team is very high, very good.
Moral semangat dari para pemain juga sangat tinggi.
And I think all the players know what the coach wants from us, and I feel we are prepared.
Dan para pemain juga mengerti apa yang diinginkan pelatih, dan saya rasa kita semua siap.
We know that it's not going to be an easy game.
Dan kita tahu ini bukan akan menjadi game yang sangat gampang.
We're going to have to give everything.
Dan kita akan berikan segalanya.
And I feel positive about it.
Dan saya merasa positif atas hal itu.
Yeah, first of all, Eggy and Ricky.
Eggy dan Ricky.
They were away from the national team, but for me, most important part is they came back fit.
Bagi saya yang paling penting tentu dia habis dari timnas dan mereka fit.
And they also physically fit.
Secara fisik mereka fit.
So the moment they came back, they immediately could integrate in the team.
Jadi langsung bisa terintegrasi dengan para pemain
and
ketika mereka balik.
For us, they are important players.
Tentu itu pemain penting kita.
The second question was about.
Yang keduanya tentang
the
Randy and Niall.
That they play. Yeah, okay. Niall didn't play a long time with us.
Niall lama nggak main sama kita.
We know his qualities.
Kita tahu kualitasnya dia.
I saw also where they played him.
Dan saya juga lihat di mana mereka memasang dia.
He has offensive qualities, and Friendly, of course, is a left back.
Dia memiliki kualitas untuk menyerang, dan Friendly tentu sebagai
he
back
played
kiri.
very good in the home game of Barito.
Dia main bagus waktu main di kandang.
So probably they will be extra motivated, but.
Dan saya rasa mereka akan terekstra motivasinya.
Yeah, that for me is no problem because.
Ada masalah.
We sent them away because we had better players.
Nah, kita melepas mereka ya karena kita memiliki pemain yang lebih oke daripada itu.
And for the results yesterday, you can see that
kita bisa lihat
even PSM won now 4-0. I think they played new stadium.
4-0, mereka main di stadion baru.
So every week there are different conditions because they now play in a good stadium. Suddenly you see they get the benefit.
Karena setiap pertandingan itu kondisinya berbeda-beda, berubah-ubah, pasti ada keuntungan dan kekurangannya masing-masing.
For us, the most important is we have 11 games to go.
Jadi yang paling penting adalah kita
I told them we play more or less in the bubble.
Dan kita kurang lebih, saya sudah mengatakan para pemain kita itu ada dalam gelembung.
We know what our goal is to achieve.
Tujuan kita apa yang harus dicapai.
So I think for us as a technical staff,
untuk kita sebagai tim teknis,
it's important to give the players a dot on the horizon.
Sangat penting untuk memberikan titik-titik pada garis.
When we are satisfied, when we are not satisfied.
Kapan kita puas dan kapan kita tidak puas.
You're building a beautiful club.
Kita membangun klub yang sangat luar biasa.
The basketball is doing very well.
Tim basket juga lakukan dengan sangat baik sejauh ini.
And so it's clear what we want.
Karena sudah jelas apa yang kita inginkan.
So that has not always to do something with other teams or what the results other teams.
Jadi bukan tentang
gimana hasil. We have 11 games to go.
Karena kita masih ada 11 pertandingan.
After Barito there will be 2 weeks
setelah
Of
Barito
course, without games because of the elections.
ada 2 minggu juga jeda dan karena pemilu.
Then we play Semarang away, then we play Rans at home.
Habis itu kita main Semarang away terus Rans di kandang.
For us, it's also time to not only have the ambition, but also
Jadi
to
nggak sekedar
explore it
punya
on the
ambisi,
pitch.
tapi juga sesuatu di lapangan yang kita
I
tunjukkan.
think that's the main focus and not only what other teams do.
Itu fokus utamanya ketimbang pada tim yang lain.
Now we have one player.
Ada satu pemain,
Player is invisible.
yang pemain yang tak terlihat, saya
He
rasa
has to do military service.
dia harus melakukan kegiatan militer.
He would be back 2 days ago, Robbie.
Dia harus balik 2 hari yang lalu, Robby.
But he didn't disappear. But
Dia nggak menghilang,
they didn't give permission to release him.
tapi dia nggak diberikan izin untuk dilepas ke.
And I feel especially sorry for him.
Terutama saya kasihan dengan
He's
dia
just with the team.
karena dia baru
I
bergabung
think
sama
he did
tim.
very well when he came.
Karena dia melakukan sangat baik ketika kita datang.
And of course, for the team, it's not doesn't benefit the team.
Tentu itu tidak menguntungkan
But
untuk tim,
especially like a young player like that.
tapi terutama untuk pemain muda seperti itu.
We talk always about development
Kita selalu
of younger
bicara
players
tentang
in Indonesia.
perkembangan pemain muda di Indonesia,
That was a possibility to play, of course.
dan tentu ada kemungkinan untuk
And
main.
now Theo, a young player, will play.
Theo juga pemain muda yang
I
main,
think he made a big progression, so then it's for him a chance.
dan itu juga perkembangan untuk dia.
But I feel always a little bit sad that we
Dan
don't
saya
do
sedih.
everything to let those players flourish.
Karena kita tidak melakukan apapun itu untuk membuat pemain itu berkembang.
Like Caviato is also
Kayak Caviatur juga
a big talent,
talenta besar,
and I think he's gone already 3 months.
dan dia udah hampir 3 bulan kayaknya.
And of
nggak
course,
sama
with
kita.
him, it's a benefit of the national team.
Tentu itu menguntungkan
So
timnas.
I also understand
Saya
in
juga
the
mengerti
preparation.
dalam persiapan.
But Robbie is now, I think, in the military.
Tapi Robby di
service.
militer untuk
So I hope he will come back soon.
dan saya harap dia akan kembali.
And if that the regulations of if that's the regulations that he has to stay there, of course we accept.
Kalau itu regulasi dari mereka harus stay di sana, ya itu tentu kita akan terima.
But I feel a little bit sorry for him.
Tapi saya kasihan dan sedih aja untuk dia.
Baik, kalau itu menjadi pertanyaan yang terakhir. Kalau begitu untuk sesi press conference untuk sore hari ini diakhiri. Thank you Coach Jan, thank you Pak Reporter ya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.